Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to look at the RoadPro 12-volt portable stove. It's sold at many truck stops and truckers use it to heat up their food. It says that it cooks or warms food up to 300 degrees. If you've been following along with my channel, or if you're just tuning in, I'm going to link some videos above to a solar panel that I got from Harbor Freight, and if you look in the right upper corner of the screen, you'll see a solar box that I made out there. I might do a video on that. So I'm on the quest to just find portable stuff and renewable energy now as we're moving along into the future. That is the wave of the future, and who doesn't like free energy? So this is sold commonly for about 35 bucks, like I said, at Pilot or Flying J's or any of those truck stops. It's got a 5.5 foot corded 12 volt cigarette lighter socket or plug. It's 1 quart capacity. It's insulated. It says it cooks or warms up to 300 degrees. Let's see what we got here. Let me turn it to the English side. There we go. Perfect for camping, tailgating, wherever life takes you. Not just for warming the leftovers. It can cook. So it draws about 12 amps, it says. 144 watts. Easy cleanup. Let's get the thing open, take a look at it. Looks just like a lunchbox. Has nice aluminum inside, has a rubber gasket around here. Just a regular snap lid. There's a cigarette lighter cord. And your fuse is right there with a red LED when it's on, and your storage for your cigarette lighter cord in there. I'm going to line this thing with tin foil, and we're going to cook a pizza in it and see how far we get. Okay, we got it lined up, and just so you know, this is a frozen pizza still in the package. I will open it on screen. It says that you have to cook it at 375 for 27 minutes. So you see it fits in there pretty good. It's 4:32 p.m. So we'll get a stopwatch going, and we'll start it and close it down. We'll see how long it takes to cook. So it's been about 11 minutes, and I just wanted to take a look at the instruction manual real quick and give some of these approximation times here. If you look, shows hot dogs about 5 minutes, rice 30 minutes, soup 20 minutes, and baby food 5 minutes, and you can put water inside the bottom, so like a sterno type stove thing where you would put water in the bottom of those tin foil pans and let the sternos cook. It's kind of the same concept so the food doesn't get dry. Other than that, you just kind of wipe it out. That's why I said you put tin foil in it, because you don't want to have to be washing inside every time. And let's open it up and see exactly how this pizza looks real quick. Turn this fan off in the background. It's a little hot in here. So we'll open it up. And I can feel the steam coming out already. Oh yeah, that's hot. Alright, so it is cooking. And it said a half an hour at 375. So I'm going to expect this thing to cook at least a full hour. It's only been about 12 minutes. So we'll let it continue on to about a half hour or a little more. Okay, it's been 27 minutes and a half. Almost 28 minutes. Let's see how this pizza looks. Now this is what the pizza cooking manufacturer said at 375 in 27 minutes. This is essentially 300 degrees, so we'll see if it's even cooking. The cheese is not melty yet, but you can see there's grease on my fingertips, so it's warm up top. It is cooking. So like I said, I figured it would take double the time to cook this thing. So we're at 27 minutes and it's not cooked yet. We're gonna let it go for an hour and see if that'll cook it up. Okay, we are back. It's been 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's see how this thing's cooked. The box feels pretty hot. Oh, it's pretty hot, really hot at the bottom. See if we got any steam. I'll open it up. And we don't. I better stop slamming this thing before it breaks. We don't have any steam, but it definitely looks cooked. Then I'm going to leave it for until an hour and 30 minutes, and we're going to see how it comes out. Because it looks cooked. Well, like I said, 20 more minutes, and we'll see what happens. Okay, it's been about an hour and 22 minutes. The pizza was put in here frozen, was supposed to be cooked on 375. RoadPro claims 300 on their box. So I cooked it for about double the time that the manufacturer specified. Actually, no, they said 27 minutes at 375. So 300 and we're an hour and 20 minutes. That's like, what, 3 times? About 3 times as long. So let's see what we got. Alright, steam definitely came out. Oof. Steam hit my glasses and fogged them up. We are going to pull this out. This is hot. Oh, yeah. That's super hot. Can you close that for me, please? Thank you. Alright. That pizza actually feels really good. So let me turn off the solar generator real quick, and we'll split the pizza in half and eat it and give a review on it. Okay, so I split the pizza in half. I'm going to split it, and it was hot when I touched it, and now I'm going to try it. It's interesting. That was really hot, actually. I mean, it could have cooked for a little longer, but it's... Oh, that sounded crispy. I hope they can hear that crunch in the microphone. Yeah, so, ladies and gentlemen, you will get the infamous lava cheese if you bite into this. So yeah, this RoadPro 12-volt cooker definitely does cook to make it really hot. I don't know if you can hear that crunch. I know I don't have good manners, but I want to show you that. I actually cooked the pizza pretty good, just like the oven. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.